so why don't you take me to the very beginning? Just give me your version of it. Now that I got you live in the flesh. All right. 23 years ago, Tracy, somebody who I just met, we became instant friends. She was working in a library. It was amazing because the first time we met, we just started sharing openly stories. And I just connected with her.
Where are you going? Where are you going? You're stuck? Are you stuck? Your hair. Hi. You're stuck. Hi, what you up to? Huh? You want to ride away? Ride away? This car seat is in the way, huh? So it's just a vacuum. Okay, hold on, baby. Huh. Look at you. Oopsie. I'm following you. No. Hey, don't touch that. No, no. Come here. Hey. Hey. No, no.